In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add and configure discounts. So from your admin, head on over to the left-hand nav and click on App Store. This is where you can install any app that you need. Today, we're interested in discounts, so I'm going to click on this one and click Install. Now, this is a free app to any Volt merchant, so we're going to go ahead and finish this out by clicking Install App. And here we go. Let's add a discount. Okay, so this is going to offer me some helpful prompts that are going to allow me to configure this particular discount. The first thing we'll need to decide is if this is a percent or dollar-based discount. Let's do percent today. We'll give it a discount of 20%. And the next very important decision we'll need to make is what this discount applies to. So we've got some options. This could apply to your entire store, or to just select products and categories, and that's what we're going to go with today. So you'll see some categories that are already configured here, as well as some individual products. I'm going to choose this Jelly Zoom Runner running shoe and click Confirm. Okay, so now we have some more prompts that we can work through. I'm going to say that this discount will require a code at checkout, and I'm going to go ahead and enter a code here of Volt Demo. All right, and I'm not going to configure any limited duration or number of uses just yet, but I will need to give this discount a name. This is going to be what customers see at checkout when they apply the discount code. We're going to call this Jelly Zoom Sale. All right, create discount. So this is a page that shows all of the settings that we just configured, and we can change those settings if we'd like to, and we'll walk through that in a moment. I do want to point out that you can make this active or inactive at any time, so you could save a particular discount and turn it on and off as needed. You can also always navigate to these three dots in the upper right-hand corner and remove the discount altogether if you'd like to. Before we dive into this page a little more, I do want to show you that if you ever navigate away from discounts, say you go back to your home screen or you configure something about a product and you'd like to come back to the discount page, the way that you'll do that is to click on App Store and Discounts here. And I'll also point out that you can click on these three dots to uninstall an app at any time. And any app that you have installed will show up right here just like discounts. So let's dive back into discounts, and we're going to be taken to a dashboard that aggregates all of the discounts we have configured and gives us some very helpful quick information like the number of discounts we have, how much our customers have saved, the number of times discounts have been used. We can also add a discount very quickly right from this page. And if we do that, any additional discounts we configure will automatically populate in a list here. You can also see any active or disabled discounts that you have configured all in one spot on this page. Okay, so now let's dive back into the discount we've been working on for this Jelly Zoom sale. So we have all of our settings configured here, our code of Volt Demo. I want to point out that you can leverage usage limits. Anytime you want to extend a discount code to a particular customer, and you'd like to limit the total number of cases or the number of times that that customer can use the discount code, you can configure those settings right here, and it'll even show you the remaining use cases that you have left. Next, let's talk about duration. So let's say you have something coming up like an anniversary sale, and you want to prepare for that and enter the dates of the sale. You can configure that here, and a discount will go live on the dates that you've selected. Also, if you extend a coupon code to a particular customer and you want to give them something like a week to use that code, you can also adjust those settings here. Okay, everything looks good. Let's go ahead and click on Save and have a look at a store. Okay, so this is our store for running shoes. I'm going to add this Jelly Zoom Runner to our cart. And here I can enter the discount code of Volt Demo. We'll click Apply. You can see that it automatically shows me that I'll save $30. And what's nice is I can see that before I even go to the checkout screen. Okay, I'm going to clear our cart out, and we're going to head back over to Volt and have a look at a few other settings that we can change. So I have a few rules here. I can have all 3 selected at a time, but just for simplicity today, I'm going to go ahead and deselect the discount code, and I'm going to select a minimum quantity. So 2 looks good, and I'll also give a max quantity of 5. So this is saying that the discount will only apply if we purchase at least 2 shoes, but not more than 5. So let's go ahead and save those changes and have a look at how that changes the customer experience when they go to purchase. So let's add the Jelly Zoom runner to cart again. You'll see that at just quantity 1, there's no discount applied here. But let me change this to 2. Now we have the minimum quantity that we set, and you'll see that the discount is starting to be applied. Now remember, we set a max quantity of 5. So at 5 shoes, we see a discount of $150, which is 20% off of the price of all 5 shoes. But let's test if we exceed that max quantity. So if we put in 6, you'll see that that discount has not changed because it just applies to the first 5 pairs of shoes. So you can see that I don't need to enter a discount code here because we deselected that option and changed up our parameters, and now the discount is automatically applied. So that's everything that you need to know about configuring discounts. Remember that if you ever have questions, you can always click on this question mark in the upper right corner and access help documentation or even get in touch with us. For more helpful videos, check out volusion.com/resource-center.